बस एक बार तो 12th पास कर ले, बस एक बार बस तू जस्ट आईटी क्रैक कर ले, बस एक बार तेरे को जॉब मिल जाए, बस एक बार तू अमेरिका चला जाए। ये बस एक बार ना कभी बस एक बार रहा नहीं है लिटरली। Hey everyone, I hope so you all are absolutely fine, and in this video I'm gonna talk about that what I have learned since previous video of the Rakesh Kudwani sir. And you know what, I have uploaded a 2 video related to Rakesh Kudwani sir, that what I have learned from the Rakesh Kudwani sir, and all the 2 video is doing well in the channel. That's great, and thank you so much for each and everyone. And this is the 3rd video that where I'm gonna share the lessons from the Rakesh Kudwani sir. And let's see, I don't care actually where it go or not go, but the most important thing is the learnings that I have learned that I'm going to share in this particular video. So in the recent video that I have watched of the Rakesh Kudwani, so where he have talked about that anxiety, why people have got more and more level of anxiety right now. The people have anxiety level more and more. Why? So he talked about any kind of anxiety comes from if we have a fear of losing something. If we have a fear of losing something, then automatically we have got the anxiety level high and high. So before you're gonna jump into the video, make sure to just subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so that you get notified when I upload video. So basically, talk about the 3 fundamentals that why people are become the anxiety level and the people become more and more in nowadays, and how we can tackle them. See, nowadays the purpose of education is to tackle with the fear or become fearless basically. But what will be happening right now, as we become more and more educated and the education level that we are going to increase in ourselves, the fear and the anxiety level going to increase more and more. I have talked about the 3 fundamentals that why people have more and more anxiety level. So number 1 fundamental is all about dependency on the external validation. Means nowadays we are so much dependent on some others' opinion. See, when we are in school, then we have a fear that, oh my god, if I not got a good grade, good marks. When we are in college, then we have a fear that, fear you can say that external validation, that what if I'm not getting a good marks, what if I'm not getting a job, what if I'm not in job, what if my job, I'm not promoting myself in my job, my promotion will be not happening in my job. That we are so much dependent on the external validation, that what people see or what people have the opinion related to our life. And this is the biggest, you can say, that factor. That's why the anxiety level will be increasing. And the solution is what? Solution is so very simple. If you are deciding your career, whatever we have to do, keep in mind whatever you are deciding, that is not based on the external validation of the people. Because once you become stuck there, and once you start or making career based on the external factors or external validation, you become, you're stuck in the rat race and it will never ever come back from here. So I have talked about, because first he have worked in a Wipro, then he go for Intel, and then he go for Qualcomm, which is all 3 companies great. But now what he is doing is, I am faculty member in communication department. That is really great. And second one is that it is literally a lot of people in nowadays, in our society, in our family, everywhere that will be happening is comparison. Exactly, we are comparing ourselves with someone other. जैसे फैमिली में होता है ना, शर्मा जी के बेटे को देखो 98% लाया, खुद को देखो 76. वर्मा जी के बेटे को देखो जॉब लग गया है, और खुद को देखो वेले बैठे हो. लाइक दैट, when people are comparing with someone others. And definitely whatever your field is, there is some person who is better than you, who is definitely better than you in your field. So if you start comparing yourself with that particular person, you are going to be demotivated, and there are definitely the anxiety level going to increase. That is simple thing. So why you are comparing yourself with someone other? Don't do that, please don't do that. And the solution is simply that if you are going to decide your career and if you desire your life based on comparison, भाई उस बंदे ने 70 लाख की BMW ली है, मैं तो 1 करोड़ का BMW लूँगा. So if you are setting your desire or your dream based on comparison, you are never ever going to happy, and your anxiety level definitely going to increase. It's so very simple, so very simple. And now third one is all about how we measure our success. What is the parameter of measuring our success? And there are basically 3 parameters of measuring success, and a lot of people are stuck on the 2 parameters that I'm going to talk about. And as we all know about 3 dimension, this is X, Y, and somewhere is Z. So most of the people, if we take at X money parameter, at Y society, so most of people think about, if I got that amount of money in my life, then I'll be successful. Most people think about that, if I got this, that, and if I got some reputation in the society, then I am successful. And more than 90% people are, measuring their parameter, what you can say, that measuring their success based on these 2 things. Very few people are measuring their success based upon that, what they want to do in their life, what they love to do. If you watch the Sandeep Maheswari sir video, where he talk about that he have an opportunity to become a great, very big company in India, but they realizes this is not my dream. I don't have to do this one, I don't have to become this one, because maybe I got a lot more money, maybe I become the great company or biggest company in India, but my dream is not to be here. So I hope you got the value, the 3 fundamentals that people are, why the people have the more and more anxiety level. The number 1 is that the more you are dependent on someone, other people, or someone external validation, the more anxiety level you have. The more you compare yourself with other, the more anxious, what you can say, that anxiety level you have. And if you have a singular parameter to measure your success, that is based on money or that is based on society, the more anxiety level that you have. Exactly. So I hope you got the value from this particular video. If you got the value from this video, please share this video to another people to do the same thing. And one more thing is that thank you so much to each and everyone to be here, to be till the end and learn a lot from here. I hope you definitely learned. And as always, keep smiling, be happy, and thank you so much. And one more thing is that be safe. Thank you so much.